Let's restore WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. Now, if you got a new iPhone, or maybe your WhatsApp got deleted, you want to restore all of those messages. I'm going to show you two different options to get those WhatsApp messages back. The very first thing we'll do is we'll open up WhatsApp and we'll tap on Settings at the bottom. Right now, here you can tap on Chat right here, and you can see under midway down is Chat Backup, so you can go into there. And this shows you basically that your chat on WhatsApp are backed up to the cloud. So potentially they've been backed up recently. If that is the case, all you need to do is open up WhatsApp on another device, enter in your phone number, and it should import and download all of your messages and get them back on your iPhone. So this is one place to look. The other place is, let's go into your settings. Oh, let me go back. We're going to tap on our name at the very top, and then we're going to tap on iCloud now. On here, I'm going to hit under Apps using iCloud. I'm going to hit Show All, and I'm going to find WhatsApp on this list. So you can see WhatsApp is on this list and then installed on. Let's go back and tap on iCloud Backup, and then let's tap on the backup at the very bottom. Now you'll see a list of all of the apps that are included in this backup. What I can do is make sure that WhatsApp is on this list. That means all of your backups. Yet, WhatsApp is here 70 megabytes and it's toggled on, which means all you have to do is restore your iPhone to this backup, and that will restore all of your WhatsApp messages back onto this phone. So those are two different ways that potentially all those messages are backed up and you can get them back onto your phone. Hope this helps you. Have any questions on that? Leave them in the comments down below.